I'm Mara Carlini from Mara's Mandalas. My original art is made with unique positive energy, intricate designs, and vibrant colors. Most people say they can really feel the energy in the art, like it's alive. The art's true mission is to inspire you and attract good energy to you. My original mandalas are the perfect choice to inspire your own personal room decor with good energy. Unlike factory reprints from department stores, my art has true and vibrant energy that is made to inspire you every day. I meditate with an intention while painting to infuse positive energy into my original mandala art. The intention or quote is gently attached to a standing tag for a beautiful display in your space. Most originals are raved over for their three-dimensional gold embellishment. All original art is hand-painted and signed by me. These are one-of-a-kind original art pieces that hold pure energy, and once they're gone forever. If a mandala calls to you, it's because the energy of the intention resonates with your soul's journey. It's meant to guide you and be a positive reminder. Original mandalas are for brightening up your space, bringing motivation to your office, inviting relaxing energy to your yoga or meditation room, and adding colorful pieces to your own personal style of room decor. They make a special and heartfelt gift to a friend or family member and are a great conversation piece too. So why purchase Mara's Mandalas? First of all, Mara's promise guarantees that you will love your art. If the vibe doesn't match your space the way that you thought, you can always return it. My art is made with intention, and this art holds specific energy that will inspire your space with that color and beauty and inspirational quotes. Instead of energyless, factory-made art, choose art that makes you feel good in your soul and inspires your purpose every single day. I can't wait for you to have energy-infused art to inspire your truth and purpose.